Welcome back, students. The remaining two instructions, logical instructions, that are CMP and one more is CPI. So let us study CMP here. So CMP is nothing but compare a resistor with accumulator. So this compare instructions is 1 byte instruction. CMP instruction is 1 byte instructions. The contents of resistor or memory, it may be CMP-R or CMP-M, a resistor or memory, are compared with the contents of accumulator. Right? Both contents are preserved, means the contents of resistor will be the same or the contents of memory location will be the same. If you are comparing resistor, the contents of resistor and the contents of accumulator will be the same. Or if you are comparing with the memory location, the contents of memory location and accumulator remains same, but the results of comparison will be shown in the flags by setting the respective flags. Fine. So that is, you can say CMPA. So you can compare accumulator with accumulator, or you can compare with accumulator with B, C, D, E, H and L. So these three conditions will arise when we compare. Comparison happens in 8085 by doing subtraction. So comparison is nothing but subtraction. So what happens if accumulator content is smaller than resistor contents or memory contents? So accumulator is smaller than what? Resistor or memory. The carry flag will going to set and the zero flag is going to reset. If accumulator contents and resistor or memory contents are both are same, so automatically comparison happens, that is subtraction will happen, zero flag is going to set and the carry flag is going to reset. What happens if accumulator is larger than resistor and memory? So carry flag is going to set and zero flag is going to reset. Now, the microprocessor does the comparison by subtracting, as I have told, subtracting the contents of the resistor and the contents of accumulator. However, either accumulator nor resistor values are unchanged. So after comparison, I mean to say subtraction, both the contents, I mean to say accumulator contents and resistor contents or memory contents will be preserved as it is, but the result will be shown in setting up the respective flags. Then comes the CPI, that is compare immediate with accumulator. So as I have said, it is an 2 byte instruction. So the first byte is prime, the second byte is 8-bit data which has to be compared immediately with the contents of accumulator, and the value being compared will remain unchanged. So the contents of accumulator will remain same only, the previous contents will remain as it is only, but the result of comparison will be indicated in flags. So this is how CPI XX syntax. If accumulator is less than data, carry flag set, zero flag reset. If both accumulator and the data same, zero flag set, carry flag reset. If accumulator is greater than the data, carry flag and zero flag are reset. Fine. Thank you.